If you've spent any time on gardening social media, you've probably seen dozens of DIY fertilizer hacks promising bigger plants, faster growth, and massive harvests using random things from your kitchen. Some of these ideas are helpful, but a lot of them are either misunderstood, oversimplified, or just plain wrong. Let's clear up some of the most common DIY fertilizer myths so you can stop wasting time and actually feed your garden properly. First up, eggshells. A lot of people say crushed eggshells are an instant calcium boost for plants. The truth is, eggshells are mostly calcium carbonate, but they break down very slowly. Tossing crushed shells into your soil today is not going to magically solve a calcium deficiency tomorrow. Over time, they can contribute calcium to compost or soil, but they are definitely a slow-release amendment, not a quick fix. Next, banana peels. Banana peels get hyped like they're some kind of complete fertilizer, but that's not really true. Yes, banana peels do contain potassium, which plants need for flower and fruit production, but they're low in nitrogen and phosphorus. If you bury a banana peel and expect it to replace a balanced fertilizer, your plants are probably going to be disappointed. Now let's talk about coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are often labeled as a nitrogen powerhouse, but fresh coffee grounds are not the same as plant-available nitrogen. Used coffee grounds can be a useful compost ingredient and may improve soil texture over time, but dumping thick layers directly onto your plants can create problems, including compacted soil surfaces and reduced airflow. Another popular myth is that Epsom salt fixes everything. Magnesium is important for plants, and Epsom salt does contain magnesium sulfate, but unless your soil is actually deficient in magnesium, adding Epsom salt is basically just random supplementation. It won't magically make peppers sweeter, tomatoes bigger, or every yellow leaf disappear. So what actually works? Instead of relying on single-ingredient hacks, focus on balanced inputs. Compost is one of the best all-around tools for improving soil health. Worm castings provide beneficial microbes and gentle nutrition. Well-aged manure can improve organic matter and nutrient content. And if you want something more targeted, use organic amendments like alfalfa meal for nitrogen, bone meal for phosphorus, and kelp meal or wood ash for potassium. De-gardening can absolutely save money and improve your soil, but understanding what your plants actually need matters way more than blindly copying internet hacks. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Growers Tips, tap the hype button, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss future gardening tips, soil hacks, and DIY fertilizer breakdowns. And let me know in the comments which gardening myth you believed before watching this video, or what DIY fertilizer tricks have actually worked in your garden. Sometimes the best gardening trick isn't a trick at all. It's just knowing the difference between a useful amendment and a viral myth. Before adding anything to your soil, learn what it does, why it works, and whether your plants actually need it. Your garden will thank you for it.